We are doing inequalities. Please understand that carefully. 5 options which we have, only conclusion one follows, only two follows, both, either, neither. The signs are in front of you. Not equal to means unequal. So we can have greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or only greater than or less than. So when we say less than or equal to, we can also say that not greater than. When we say less greater than or equal to, we can say not less than. When we say less than, we can say greater than or equal to. And when we say greater than, we can say not less than, not equal. Now the question number one statement says A is less than B, B is less than equal to C, C greater than D, D greater than E, or equal to E, greater than F. The conclusion which I have to find out, the first says A less than F. Now A is here, F is here. If I follow the chain, A less than B, B less than or equal to C though, and C is greater than D. Now let's suppose if I say A is greater than B and C is less than A. Now this kind of relationship we have here also. The signs are getting reversed. We were going less than equal to, and then we said greater than. The sign got reversed here. Can you tell me in this equation from B and D who is greater or who is lesser? Or can you tell from here then whether B or C, which one is greater or which one is lesser? You can't tell it. The reason because we know A is greater than B and C, but B and C we don't have a relationship. The same way, when we say C is greater than D, C is greater than equal to B, we cannot establish a relationship between B and D. We can't give a relationship here. If I can't establish a relationship, that means I can't go further. If I can't go further, that means the first option is not the answer. First option is not my answer because I cannot reach from A to F with a logical conclusion because the signs were getting reversed. The second, E less than C. So when we have E less than C, now in E less than C, I have E and we have C here. Now I can see C is greater than D and D is greater than equal to E. So there are two cases. One can be C greater than D, D greater than E. Second case, C greater than D and D is equal to A. But in both the cases, C will be greater than E. Whether you go from here or you go from here. That means this C is greater than E or E is less than C. This option is absolutely correct. In 100% cases, we need to make sure that we get the same answer. In 100% cases, then only we can say it's a conclusion. In all the cases which we make, we should be able to draw, we should be able to conclude that this is 100% sure. Is this clear? The first question, is that clear to online students? Ask Shri Harsha, what is the doubt? Write in the chat.
Sir, am I audible?
I'll explain the first one again. The first part says A less than B, B less than equal to C. Now C greater than D. As soon as you see the reverse signs, they are not aligned in the same direction. You cannot find a direct answer. Because if I say Devdeep is younger to Manish and Sri Harsha is also younger to Manish, that from Devdeep and Harsha, who is younger? We can't tell out of you both who is younger. We know you both are younger to me, but we can't tell. The same kind of relationship, as well as sign reverses, we can't tell the relationship. We can't conclude it. Is this clear now? L is greater than K, K greater than equal to F, F greater than equal to H equal to W less than Q. Now W is less than L, W is less than L, that is right. Because W is equal to H equal to F equal to K. So W can come maximum till here. But here we have a sign already. So L greater than W has to be there, 100% sure. Q greater than K. Now Q and K, now the signs are getting reversed. If the signs are getting reversed, we can't tell the answer. That means the answer is option number one only. Is this also clear? Okay. You guys have to try till number six. Try till number six, then I'll explain the part two of inequality. There are three parts to this. This is the first part. Try the 3, 4, 5, 6.